Hello friends, I am Deepanshi Sharma. Welcome to my YouTube channel Genius Deepanshi, and I hope you are doing well. So we take and understand this pattern, and this is a reverse right angle triangle pattern, and we want to point star in each row but in a decrement order way. So we used nested for loop to understand this pattern. Firstly, we declare two variable that are used for nested for loop. So we declare I and j variable, and I variable is used for outer for loop and j variable is used for inner for loop. So firstly we create outer for loop, and in this outer for loop we take three parameters. So in outer for loop we initialize I variable equals to 1 and check condition if I less than equals to 5 and I increment to 1. And inside this outer for loop we create another for loop that is called inner for loop, and in this inner for loop we initialize the j variable and we initialize j equals to 5 and check condition if j greater than equals to I and j decrement to 1. And inside this inner for loop we print star and with the help of printf function, and outside this inner for loop we used \n for cursor to the next line. When completing each row, cursor will move to the next line. So when you compile this program, there is no error in this program and your program successfully compiled, and when you run this program the accurate output is shown as below. So I hope you understand, and this is the simplest and easiest way to understand or learn this pattern. If you have any concern you can ask me. Like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching. और आप इसी तरीके से पैटर्न प्रोग्रामिंग प्लेलिस्ट में बने रहिए. स्टे ट्यून्ड फॉर फ्यूचर अपडेट्स. हैव अ ग्रेट डे.